Once upon a time, in the enchanting land of Fairytale Kingdom, two beloved princesses, Cinderella and Snow White, lived peacefully in their respective castles. Despite being so different, they were the best of friends. Cinderella, with her everlasting grace, had the power to talk to animals, while Snow White, with her timeless beauty, had the power to bring nature to life. One sunny morning, while they were having a tea party in Snow White's flower-filled garden, an unexpected guest arrived. It was the fluttering fairy, a tiny creature with sparkling wings and a wand that glowed like the stars. The fairy fluttered over and landed on the table. "Oh, dear princesses," chirped the fairy. "The Heart of Wonderland, a magical gem that gives life to the Fairytale Kingdom, is in danger. It was stolen by the mischievous Sorcerer of Shadows, and if we don't get it back, the kingdom will lose all its magic." Cinderella glanced at Snow White, and they nodded in agreement. They knew what they had to do. "Don't worry, fluttering fairy, we'll bring back the Heart of Wonderland," Cinderella declared with determination. Off they went on their magical quest. As they traveled through the whispering woods, the trees whispered secrets about the sorcerer's hideout. Little birds tweeted hints, while deer guided them along hidden paths. Snow White waved her hand, and colorful flowers bloomed to light up their way. Their journey led them to the glittering grove, where enchanted creatures lived. There, they met a wise old owl perched atop a shimmering dragon statue. "To retrieve the Heart of Wonderland, you must pass through the Hall of Illusions," advised the owl, "but beware of the sorcerer's trickery." Thanking the owl, they ventured onward. The Hall of Illusions was a place where nothing was as it seemed. Mirrors reflected dreams, and corridors twisted like swirling ribbons. Cinderella and Snow White held tightly to each other's hands, their friendship guiding them straight and true. At the heart of the hall, they found the Sorcerer of Shadows cackling over the gem, its glow dimmed by his dark magic. With courage in their hearts, Cinderella spoke to the birds who swooped down to distract the sorcerer, while Snow White whispered to the walls, making them shimmer with blinding light. Amidst the commotion, Cinderella swiftly grabbed the Heart of Wonderland. The sorcerer was defeated, his shadowy magic banished by the pure light of friendship. With the gem restored to its radiant glory, Cinderella and Snow White brought it back to the fluttering fairy. The kingdom pulsed with magic again, flowers danced, rivers sang, and the sun shone brighter than ever. The two princesses returned to their tea party, more grateful than ever for their magical land and the bond of friendship. From that day on, Fairytale Kingdom thrived under their watchful eyes, and every creature lived happily ever after. And so, the story of Cinderella and Snow White's magical quest became a legend cherished by all who roamed the enchanting land of Fairytale Kingdom. The end. Please like and subscribe our channel for more stories. Thanks for watching.